Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to save a ton of time by setting up reusable email templates right inside your HubSpot account. First, log into your HubSpot dashboard and look at the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Click on the Conversations tab or the Library tab depending on your specific HubSpot layout, and then select Templates from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Templates page, look for the bright orange button in the upper right corner that says New Template. Click it and then choose the option to start from scratch. This will open up a Composer window where you can actually build your email. Start by giving it a clear internal name so you can easily find it later, and then type in your subject line and the main body of your message. The absolute best part here is that you can click the Personalize button at the bottom of the window to automatically pull in details like your contact's first name or their company name, so your outreach feels totally custom every single time you send it. When your email looks exactly the way you want it, just hit the Save Template button at the bottom left and you are all set. You can now insert this pre-written text into any new email with just one click. If this quick tutorial helped you speed up your workflow, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments which marketing tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching.